one thing I don't like is it doesn't have that battery indicator to tell you how much juice is left, like on the screen.
You charge it all night.
Oh, did you charge it?
Yeah.
Oh, great, great. So that actually, one of the things that actually works really well on this rickshaw is the windshield wiper. And we are soldiering along here towards, what's the next city, George?
Kudal, I think.
Right.
We are actually able to go uphill now.
Yeah, it's exciting. So I don't know if I mentioned in a previous video, but the last mechanic we found in Kalagunt was awesome. And he cleaned out the carburetor. It was full of dirt and mud, which was blocking the fuel flow. So we can actually go uphill without stalling now, which is pretty exciting. And I don't know, it's actually a pretty pleasant ride, even with the rain. The roads are really empty, so it seems a little less dangerous. Hopefully we'll have this luck sticking with us for the rest of today.